कहावत है मगर आवाज बड़ी ऊंची है। तो
अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Praise to be God, Lord of the world, and peace be upon His noble messenger. Today my topic on mercy of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is fact that Islam teaches mercy, and every Muslim should be kind to another Muslim, because Islam is a religion of peace, mercy, and honesty. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we know that the Prophet brought complete mercy to whole entire universe. Allah has described the abundant mercy mentioned in Holy Quran. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. And we send you as a mercy to all the inhabitants of universe. Surah Anbiya, ayat number 107. Sa'd bin Ubadah radhiyallahu anhu once became ill. So Allah's messenger visited him in his house. On seeing his faithful companion in a pitiful state, he was moved to tears. Then he said, Allah does not punish because of tears, nor because of grief, but He punishes because of this. And he pointed to his tongue. Al-Bukhari. Prophet Muhammad prayed to God, O Allah, whoever and children of us from this into charity. When his people did not believe him, Jibreel alayhi salam came to his side. God heard the saints and said, accusations of your people. The angel of Moses called to Prophet Muhammad and said, ask for whatever you want, and I would crush them with the surrounding mountains of Tyre. And Prophet replied, no, but I hope that Allah will bring out of there spring people who worship Allah alone with no associates. In short, the main aim of this ambiguity to every Muslim to decorate himself with the mercy. I pray to Allah to enable us to apply the good manners and kindness of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in our life. Ameen summa ameen. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
पढ़ रहा था अम्मी होती है, माँ खुश हो जाती है। उन्हें अम्मी होती तो खुश नहीं होती, मम्मी मेरी बच्ची कृष्ण बुला रही, जबकि मम्मी के वाले क्या लास्ट, क्या माने मम्मी होने को लास्ट बोलती, लास्ट मम्मी लास्ट बोलते हैं, पर इन्हें खुश हो जाती है कि मेरी बच्ची ने मम्मी बोलते। उसके बाद शेख अर्शिया बिन्ते शेख नायब पाशा के जवाब उद्योग की तालिबा है। इनका उन्वान है फितनों के दौर में औलाद की तरबियत। ये फितनों का दौर है, औलाद की कैसी तरबियत करना है, इस उन्वान पर शेख अर्शिया की तकरीर करेंगे। जनाजा वगैरह से बात करेंगे।